Today, I would like to introduce you to a new feature that we developed here at Drivepoint. We internally call it FAM V2, which basically stands for Financial Account Mapping V2. Let me move my loom here because you will see a new item in the side panel called Account Mapping. Previously, all of your accounts were mapped in the add-in inside the Excel file. So when you started as a Drivepoint customer, when you had a new account, you wanted to import QuickBooks, you kind of had to go in this very tiny real estate in the add-in, map your accounts, click save. It was hard to navigate. And so we brought the entire experience to the web app, and we also enabled it with more import options. So let me walk you through it. If this is non-destructive, so you can absolutely do this without any issues. But of course, like as you're changing your Drivepoint categories to financial accounts, your GL will change. So I'll show you how that works. So let's go into account mapping. I can see I have 233 live mappings already, and I need 3 approvals. We also have this cool new AI assistant, which actually remembers some of the rules that you're giving it in order to map accounts better. So let's look into them. The blue dots signify that it has pretty good understanding of how they should map. So this is right. This is right. Wholesale. I want to actually map this probably to retail. Actually, before I map this, let me save the changes for now. Save changes. And I want to show you a new feature that we have, which is basically if I go into settings here, I can create my new custom channel. So Walmart, create channel added. Fantastic. So if I go back, I can now map it to my new Walmart account. Obviously, keep in mind that if you change your structure here, you will have to do it manually in the model as well so that it feeds directly, since there's a bunch of formulas baked in. So now I click approve. That was good. I'm going to say everything. Oops. I just saved. Make sure, or actually, yeah, every time you see Walmart on the account, map it to Walmart in the future. So now the cool thing is that this agent will remember this and save it as a rule. And I'll show you where you can find all of the rules. So click save changes here. Because I mapped my Walmart account, I saw that any GL account with Walmart should always be mapped to the Walmart channel. And just to confirm, here are my custom rules that I set. Funny, I've did that in another demo before. Great. So now we got everything mapped. And from here, right, like everything is mapped, I'm all good. I can basically go into my model. I'll just look into my model here. And I can import QuickBooks data, right? Everything is mapped now. So the cool new thing is that I have more options here. So besides my GL, I can also say I want to actually just import my revenue by dimension in order to speed up the import that it takes here. And I'm going to say I'm going to have it revenue by like my class, for example. And in this case, like dimension 1 could be I want revenue by departments, right? But I actually want expenses by vendors or something, right? It obviously depends here what this customer has set up. So yeah, new import options, new amazing agent experience that is really, really good at classifying a lot of your accounts for you, and better web app experience that you have. And yeah, that's financial account mapping. So go ahead, navigate over to account mapping, try it out. We'll do all of the mapping, at least the first pass for you. And then the other thing that I forgot to mention, which is really exciting, this is Excel-like functionality. So I can click Command C on my keyboard and basically like drag it down, right? For example, I can delete this with my keyboard as well. So we try to make it as finance friendly as we can here in order to like navigate around this table. Great. That's financial account mapping. I'm excited for any questions or feedback you have.